To start, we're going to find the area of these three outside faces. And the easiest way to find that is to do the perimeter of the base, which is 8, 6, and 10. So 8 plus 6 plus 10 gives you 24. That right there is the perimeter of the base. And then if you multiply that number by the height, that will get you all of the red parts. So 24 times 15 gives you 360. So those are those faces right there. Now I'm going to find the area of the base. So if we're looking at the area of the base, which is a triangle, you do 8 times 6 divided by 2. So that's 48 divided by 2, which equals 24. But there are two bases, so I'm going to multiply that by 2 to get 48. And then to finish up, I'm going to add together the 360 and the 48 to give you 408. And it is units squared, but for assessments, we'll just type in 408.